In the autumn, our herbaceous borders can start looking a little bit tired, with plants that have been in flower starting to just kind of collapse all over the place, like this Tradescantia here. We're going to take out the old plant support and we're just going to cut it back, deadhead it, so that it just looks a bit tidier. Final one. Now that this Tradescantia is cut back, we're going to take some material from round the edges of the clump. This will ensure that this plant will remain vigorous for next spring. I'm just going to place it there, and we'll get a truck. And then that's ready. Fantastic.